Video, we will try to find a substring within a main string. So for example, we have a string my str01. We can select any part of the string, suppose AU. We will try to find whether this exists. This is a substring, whether it exists or not within this main string. So what we can do is we can write down my str01 dot. Now there is a function find. We can see that it will take the substring, isn't it? Now this substring is AU. We can specify from where we actually want to start the search. If it is a very long string, we there is no requirement to start from the beginning, say. If there is no requirement to start the search from the beginning, then we can specify a position. Otherwise we can omit that particular option, and we can, here it is a small string, so we are just checking whether it exists or not. So it will just tell me the position from where actually it's there. So you can we can see that it is showing me 9 is the index position. So if I start counting from here, a, it is the index position of a within the string. So we can check it in this way also. We can write down, so you can see that it is a. Now if I want to find another string, okay, another substring within this string, and if I want to find the total the start and the end position of this substring, for example, if I want to take this one AULCH, this is quite a long substring, so we can use a module. Okay, we have to import that module, RE module. So import RE. Now why we are importing this RE module? Because there is a function search RE dot. You can see that there is a search function out here. Now we can use it, pattern. Okay, so this is a pattern that we are searching. So the pattern is AUCHO. Suppose this one AUCH, this is the pattern that I'm searching. So AUCH, I'll have to write exactly in that way, CH, and I have to specify the name of the string from where we are searching, my str01. So now we'll notice one thing, that it will actually display the output in a different way. So we can store the result. So actually it is not finding this thing, because this substring is not there only. We should have written AULCH. So let us try again. This is the correct one, AULCH, it is there. Now we'll see. Now you can see that the output is coming, the match is there, and there is a span. Can we see that it is span? Means it is coming in the form of a tuple, the start position and the end position it is showing. So we can actually rewrite it in this way. We can write down, so we can store this thing as before. We can write down like this, and we can write down EE. So it will come, the output will come same, but we can write down like this, E dot. We can use some functions. One function is the start function. It will give the start value where this particular match is there. So you can see that it is showing me 9. And if I write down EE dot, there is an end value. This one will be the end value. It will show me 14. this start value and the end value, the entire thing is known as a span. So there is a span function. So this is the span function. So it tells me, it shows me in the form of a tuple 9 comma 14.